year we explored the counter-state mythology, and I don't find it ironic at all that we were in the middle of a pandemic and we had to fit all of what we've come to know about Chale Wote into one digital space.
It's an amazing experience, I love it. Shout out to all the Chale Wote members. Very dope event. Not just about art, but it's about who you are within your art and how you affect the people around you.
Last year I was here, but I didn't participate. This year, God being wonderful, I'm on a map too, and I'm being granted interviews and the like. I really appreciate Chale Wote. I really appreciate the organization and everybody for putting me on the map.
But I think it very well fit into this year's theme of counter-state mythology, because I don't think that in past years we would have imagined a time where we wouldn't be able to gather and go partake in the art the way we have.